Early Monday morning. Let me just quickly grab the short trade and then describe what's going on here. So we are looking at Solar Wind by NINZA, and I am told it is one of their best sellers. So I am going to be trading it live today. Well, I am already trading it live today. This is a PA account, and I will be showing my rhythmic dashboard once trading is over. So it looks like it has a number of trades. It has a change of trend, so that's what I took here, a bearish trend. So I took a short. It also has a pullback. Now the pullback to me is interesting. The pullback occurs at the line, so you see it right there. Right there, it's going to be a pullback trade. And then it also has, I guess, like a continuation trade. A strength trade is when price continues in the same direction. So I did not get a chance to automate this yet, but I will. These, first of all, these signals, of course, as with all the other indicators, they do not repaint, and they fire on bar close. And they could be automated, so that's exciting. I will be automating them a bit later. Did not get a chance to do it this morning, and we'll be talking about a few things as well. So just looking for a first target to hit here. Some of the things we'll be talking about is the whole purpose of indicators, no matter what indicator it is. There is a strange notion out there by some, and obviously not by you guys. The audience of this channel is far too intelligent for that, but there are traders out there who think that somehow an indicator can make a trader profitable. Now, indicator, no matter what indicator, no matter what strategy, they're tools. It is tools that we as traders use. And if we use these tools correctly, they could help us be profitable. But at the end, of course, it is up to us. And this idea that I'm sometimes hearing, well, here was the pullback. Do you see the pullback? Right there is the pullback trade. And what I'm thinking of doing is actually entering another short right now, because it is within the rules of this approach to be sort of scaling in. So I have that original short upon a change of trend, and I can enter another short when price reaches this pullback area. So that's a consideration. 1 minute.
Order filled.
Yep, so I decided to indeed take another short here. Now my stop would remain in the same place. As a matter of fact, my stop would be not even as far as it is now. My stop would be if there is an opposite signal that is appearing. For example, if price continues to go higher and change to a bullish trend, I will close out this trade. But it is definitely within the rules of this approach to scale in. Now, of course, let me just make this a bit bigger so it's easier to see. Of course, it also depends on your account size. Let's be clear, you don't want to do this if you're trading E-minis and you have a 25,000 evaluation account that only allows you $1,500 or less in drawdown. Some firms have a daily max loss, which is even less than the 1,500 allowed. So these are all the things to keep in mind. So when you're trading, you gotta know what is your ability to withstand a drawdown. I'm pretty comfortable here even with 4 trades now, that if price moves against me and indeed I have to stop out, I am still okay. But you need to know what your particular situation is. So, just gonna wait for this trade now. I'm gonna circle back to the whole topic of indicators. I think it's an important topic. I just gotta do a few things first to prepare for my trading days. So just yeah, give me 1 minute. All right, so price came close, came right to that pivot, but did not. There was no change of trend, so I stayed short, and now pretty well, slightly worse than break even. Still looking for the first target there. I am now short 4 contracts. So the first 2 were taken at the trend change, and the second 2 were taken at the pullback area. So this indicator is flexible with that, so it allows me to have 2 areas to go short in, which is beneficial. Kind of gives you a dollar cross average thing. Again, though, you need to be careful with that. You need to know your limitations with whatever accounts you have. So looks like they want to go lower. Let's see if they will. Here they come.
Target filled.
Target 1. So because of the dollar cross average idea, you see that the stop is not at break even, and that's because the other 2 contracts
Stop
I entered. Ooh, nice move lower. That was really fast. My goodness. Okay. Hold on 1 second. All right, so I did set up automation. Good, it's working. So I set up automation because I will be busy in the morning at first.
Stop fill.
There will not be much narration. I'll be busy trading and communicating with my Telegram group. But I did set up the auto trader to take. Now, I'm interested in only long trades, so that will not take any short trades. And the reason I'm interested in only long trades is because the position of the NASDAQ is such that being above 380 brings about 440 and 465 up to 480. So I am looking for a move higher. And it will take only long trades. So I gotta go, but I'm just gonna leave the recording running.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Alright, so the profit target for this chart is 600. So now that it reached this profit target, the robot will no longer take any trades, but things are still moving nicely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change to another account and then put on some more trades. But so far, very impressed with this indicator. I love the pullback trades. I'm telling you right now, the pullback trades are just excellent. So unfortunately, I missed the first 2 trades in this account. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Anyway, looking for a pullback short. Here's a pullback short trade right to the line, so that was quick. Looking for another short upon bar close. So if a bar closes before the change of trend,
order filled.
Here is the short. The logic behind this trend, behind this trade is that we are in a bearish condition, right? We have bearish trend, and if there is a bar close before a change of trend, it should send the price lower, and that is the
Target
logic behind
filled.
this trade. Here is first target. So
Stop
numerous
filled.
ways of trading this indicator, but I do want to automate it. I want to see if I can just go in full automation with it. Let's see if I can set this up now. All right, looking for another short here with the same exact logic. If a bar closes down before a change of
Order
trend,
filled.
here it is. Here is a short. So did not set up the auto trader yet, but I do want to do it at some point, hopefully today, before the day is over. So this indicator is great because it's very flexible, and it's really go nice. It really kind of keeps you either bearish or bullish. It gives you numerous opportunities to get short in a variety
Target
of
filled.
different ways, hitting the full target here. Just excellent, just excellent. One after another, really nice. All right, so going to take a short break here, and I want to set up the next account to run in full automation. So yeah, like 10:30, there was still plenty of time. So far very impressed. I mean, very nice picking directions, and I love the pullback trade. I just love it. Pullback trade would be great to automate. So here's the time of sales. Give me a few minutes. Should be back soon. All right, so now that we have some time, let's take a look again at this indicator and the type of trades that it has. So it has the trend change signal. I like it. My favorite is the pullback. So the pullback, again, just because that's how I prefer to trade, change of trade and the pullback. And take a look at the pullback, how many great pullback trades there are. Now, of course, the market has to move, right? So if the market is very range bound, you're not going to have as many pullback signals, or even very successful pullback signals. So you need to have a market that is in a certain condition. In this stretch, the market is in a very bullish condition, and we have a whole bunch of long pullback trades, and then a change, right? And again, the pullback trades are excellent. I mean, terrific. Here was the latest one here. So this is a very small time frame, but I would have to say that the pullbacks are probably my favorite approach to trading this indicator, only also because the stop loss in this case, if you get out at the opposing signal, the stop loss is not horrendous relative to the potential profit, right? So obviously there are going to be stops, but relatively to the potential profit. So here is a trade long, and it was the trend trade. And again, the pullbacks I think are better. The pullbacks are better. There was the first pullback here, right? So it would be enough for first target. Again, in this case, the trend would have worked out great, but again, there was this pullback trade, which I like. And probably, like with the other kind of signals from other indicators, the first one is the best. The first one is the best. So here is a pullback on a short. Terrific. Pullback on a long. This one is a losing trade. This one would have been a losing trade. A pullback on a short, a winning trade. A pullback on a long, a winning trade, and so on. So I think I really like the pullback trades, and I think in the future I might automate those trades. All right, loaded a third account. I think I have the automation in place. Let's see if I got it right. So I tried to automate the pullback trade. So let's see if we get a short pullback trade here, if it's just gonna take it. Let's see.
Order
It
filled.
is. Hey, it worked. Very, very nice. Excellent. Love the pullback. Love the pullback trade. So the stop is not going to be where you see it. It would be right upon a change of trend.
Target
That's
filled.
how it is. I mean, nice and quick. I mean, those pullbacks are very, very precise. Like them a lot.
Stop filled.
Okay, so giving the time of day, not much movement, kind of range bound. That's all right, but got first profit here. Just gonna let it go. All right, so the next one should be a long.
Order filled.
Here's a long. Very nice. So obviously not the best time of day to trade. But it looked promising before. It looked like things were moving. Now things are slowing down a bit. So we'll see. We'll see. Almost at the first target.
Target filled.
Boom, got the first target. Yeah, so it did really well with this indicator today.
Stop filled.
Okay, took me out. All right, just gonna let it go. Let's see if I can get a pullback trade here.
Order filled.
Here's a pullback trade. So nice. Everything's in
Target
full automation.
filled.
Here it is. Nice and quick. I love those pullback trades, man. Those pullback
Stop
trades
filled.
are excellent. All right. Out at break even on the second half. So yeah, I mean, doing really, really well here. Having all kinds of recording issues. I thought I was recording
Target
and I
filled.
wasn't. So here is first target on the short. Again, terrific pullback trades. I just messed up the recording. Sorry, guys. Messed up the recording, but
Stop
in a
filled.
short trade right now. Here I am out at break even on the second half there. All right, so we just had a pullback trade, so I imagine either we're going up, there's going to be a long trade, or we go lower, and then again there's going to be another pullback trade if price comes back to the line again. So just gotta wait. Yeah, so it will be another pullback trade once price comes back to that red line. So I love the logic here. Here comes the pullback. And as soon as price, I guess, touches the line, bar closes, there is going to be a short trade, which should be taken in full automation.
Order filled.
Here it is. Okay. Yeah. I mean, really nice logic to this indicator. First, it finds a direction, and then there are pullback trades. And in the future, I might only trade the pullback trades and just completely forego the trend trades. That's how much I like them, because you know, a trend trade could sometimes go immediately against you. The pullback trade could obviously still go against you, but the risk is much less. So that's attractive. Right, coming
Target
to first
filled.
target, there it is. So look at all these pullback trades, and every single one of them worked out. I mean, that's how you can participate multiple times in the same direction. So I still say the first one is the best, but each one of them did really well, at least for the first target. Let's see if we can get a run. Doesn't look like it.
Stop filled.
Nope. Okay, it took me out. All right, gonna keep on waiting. Looks like a change of trend, maybe.
Order
Here
filled.
it is, a long trade. Now, I think if it comes down to the pullback area, it's gonna take another long, if I'm understanding this right. Nope, might just go straight to the first target.
Target filled.
There it is, first target, and up we go. I think that might be it for me for today, so let's see if they can give me a nice run for this last trade. So, I mean, I understand, why this is a best-selling indicator for them. This is really nice. The trend and then the pullback, just a great combination. Ooh, going higher. Let's see. I'm just going to pull my stop up, I think. Want to really finish on a good note here. Did really well here today. With the solar wind. Interesting choice of name. Oh, they're gonna just take me out to break even here. Come on. Up.
Stop. Order filled.
No. Oh, but it was the pullback. Haha. Okay, so I got stopped off my trend at break even on a second half, and here was the pullback trade. Ah, terrific. Just terrific. Look at this. I mean, just awesome. Out of one, right into the next. All right. Come on, up we go. So a deep retracement lower, but now coming back up.
Target filled.
To the first target. Stop goes to break even, plus one tick on the second half. And now I really will drag my stop up. I don't want to give everything back again. Alright, let's drag it up a little bit. If it goes higher again, I'm going to drag it up some more. Finish up on a really good note. Here we go, drag it up a little more. Okay. It came close before to that target, but not quite. Come on. Come on, a nice pop higher, come on. Anyway, I did disable the robot. After this I am done. It was a lot of fun. Should I bring this up a little more? Here we go. It was a lot of fun trading this indicator today. Really nice setups and lots of settings that you can adjust for current market conditions. Oh, and it took me out. That's all right. I am done here. Lots of fun. I will make another video using this indicator this week for sure. So make sure you're subscribed and leave me a like, of course. Be right back. All right. So almost 2 o'clock. Computer clock, rhythmic dashboard. 2 out of the 3 accounts are here. The third account is actually from a different prop firm, so I cannot put it here. Okay, so I can see why Solar Wind is one of NINZA's best-selling indicators. Amazing, really nice. Plenty of options, plenty of settings, 3 different trades that could be taken, and just accurate. I mean, you know, just nice, clean trades. So there are a number of ways to trade this indicator, and I will be showing you more this week. I'm not sure if tomorrow, but I'll make another video this week on the Solar Wind. You can use it with a larger brick size in a certain way. So again, make sure you're subscribed, because I will be recording a video, of course, live trading this week, that I'll be sending to NINZA to post on their channel. So leave me a like and any comments. Now, oh, by the way, let me just so you know, this is not obviously my channel. So if you write a comment, I might not see it, because I get no, obviously, notifications when someone writes a comment in these videos. But my email is in the description, so if you want some information, just email me, I'll respond. And yeah, I mean, another terrific indicator from NINZA. And I'll be showing, again, like I said, there's going to be another video, me trading this indicator live. So I'll be sharing it next time. Thank you, everyone.